Hello viewers, I am Bhakti Patel, a BPharm student, and in this video I'll share with you which are the best books to study each subject in the SEM 1, what are the best unit wise sources to exactly study from. So let's get started. See, BPharm SEM 1 can be super confusing because there are too many books, too much advice and still no clarity. So I'll share you my exact book list which I have followed when I was in my SEM 1. So let's get started. See, BPharm SEM 1, it includes 6 subjects. 4 subjects are the university subjects and last 2 subjects are non-university subjects. So let's get started by one. So the first subject is Human Anatomy and Physiology 1, also referred as like HAP 1. So for this subject, the book I have referred was of Nirali Prakashan by Dr. Deepa and Mr. Satish. Now why to refer this book only? So let me tell you that the standard reference book for this particular subject is Totora, and this Nirali Prakashan book is way more similar to the Totora. So, and it has other plus points like it exactly matches the PCI syllabus. It has a very simple language and of course diagrams are clear. And also the whole syllabus is very nicely given in this book. So you can refer it for all the units, and personally I am telling you that I have also referred that same book. So it will be easy for you rather than going for like too many books at a time. Second subject is pharmaceutical analysis. So in this subject you need to refer to 2 books because one book is not sufficient for this subject. For the unit 1, you need to refer PV publication book by Dr. Uttar Singh and Mrs. Ruchika and Mr. Manmeet. There's a question like why to refer these 2 books only. So when we take into account like for the unit 1, this PV publication book suits because the content matches exactly what we need in our exam. And for the unit 2, 3 and 4, we will refer to Nirav Prakashan book by author Hitesh G. Rawal, and the content also here exactly like suits our exam pattern and everything. Third subject, pharmaceutics 1. So for the pharmaceutics 1, you can go for dispensing pharmacy by R.M. Mehta. So there's a question like why to refer this book only. So I would like to tell you that this book is very concise, it's exam focused, and this one book is sufficient for this subject. Because see, if you will switch for this subject between 2 to 3 books, all of them has the same meaning but in a different words form. So it's just like a waste of time. Fourth subject, pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. This subject, pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry, it's a very volatile subject. You need a lot of practice and also it in a written form. So for this subject, the book which you need to refer is only like one book I will suggest is the Chatwal, G.R. Chatwal by Himalaya Publishing House. So for the unit 1, go for the Chatwal, and also in the unit 1 there is one topic like principles and like a limit test 1. So for that you can study it directly from your journal because it is being taught in the practicals as well. And for the unit 2, 3, 4 and 5, go for G.R. Chatwal book. Fifth subject, communication skill. This is a non-university subject and it's a very scoring subject and easy, pretty easy. So for all the units, the book I have referred for this subject is of PV publication by Dr. Pragi Arora. Why to refer this book only? Because this book covers all the unit very nicely, and of course this subject is very easy and no point in switching between too many books for this subject. So that's it for the today's video. Thank you. Bye.